Hello my dear friends, I Ekbara welcome you all to my channel Jazzy Jewels. Today we are going to make a beautiful and elegant beaded bead necklace. So beaded beads are quite tricky to make, but I have followed very simple steps in my tutorials which you will really enjoy watching, and also will definitely love to make this necklace at home later. So do watch this tutorial till the end, and if you like this video, do give a thumbs up. And if you are new here on my channel, I request you to subscribe to my channel so that we can meet on a regular basis to make such amazing jewelry making techniques like this in the future. And now let's get started. So the material required is small size golden beads, 5 mm golden beads, beading wire, jump ring, lobster hook, plier and scissor. First of all, we will make a beaded bead out of this small bead. So what I'll do is I'll take some part of this beading wire and I'll cut it here. So I'll cut this part here. And first of all, we are going to insert 4 beads in this. Okay, so I have added these 4 beads, and now we will take it in the middle, and from any one last bead we are going to remove one wire, one end like this, and so we will make a square like this. Now to make the other pattern, we already have this one bead, so we are going to insert 3 beads in this. So for the same, I'll first add 2 beads in one and 1 bead in this. Okay, and from this where we have inserted these 2 beads, we are going to remove this thread wherein there is only 1 bead. That is, I'm going to remove this thread from this bead to form a proper design like this. And similarly, we will repeat the same process. That is, in this bigger wire, I'm going to insert 2 beads, and in this smaller one, I'm going to insert 1 bead. And now I'll remove this smaller wire from this bigger one to form a look like this. Now we'll simply wrap them together. So for that I will remove this big wire from this initial bead, and we'll just you can either make knots or you can also wrap them together. So I'm just making knots like this. Plier. So I guess we are done. Now I'll cut this extra part. And you're done. If you want, you can wrap them together. Okay, so this is done. So similarly, we have to make lots of beads like this. So already made this beads. These are approx 80 beads, and it took me 1 hour maximum to make these beads. So you can execute the same one. Now we will insert these beads in this one, in the beading wire. So I'll quickly insert them in this. I have made lots of videos on necklaces wherein I have made various designs using either quilling or pearl beads and so on in a very simple way, which looks very beautiful, and also you can make them with minimal material and time. So do watch these videos. Okay, so our one round is ready. Now I'll leave some space here, and also will leave some space this side, and I'll cut this. Now we are going to make another layer of simple beads, simple golden beads. So we'll quickly do that. We'll do it in accordance with this. It is coming upside of this, so we'll do. So I'm going to add this base quickly now. If you are new here, do subscribe to my channel and make sure to like, share and comment to this video. So guys, you can see this is length is coming perfectly now. So what we will do is now we will match these ends, and I'm going to again add 3 or 4 beads in this one. So I'm adding 5 in total. And with the lock beads, we will lock this one. Lock this successfully. The same process will repeat here. I'm going to first insert 5 beads now. So you can see its design is looking so beautiful. Again I'm going to insert this long beads.
I'm going to add this lobster hook. So I already have some jump rings attached. So I'll again take one more jump ring. We'll open this one. And with the help of pliers, just close this. Make sure to close this very firmly and properly, and also make sure there is no space. And again we are going to add few jump rings to this side also. I am making a loop of 5 or 4 jump rings. I will go with 4. I will insert this one here. So with this, a beautiful necklace is ready. Do let me know how do you like this design. And for the earrings, I have kept the earrings simple. So with the help of 30 gauge wire, I just wrap these two together and inserted with dangles. That's it.
I hope that you found this video helpful. If so, please go ahead and like it. Share it with your like-minded friends and family. Do not forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon for further notifications. You can also put your valuable comments in the comment box and let me know what would you like to see next. Thank you so much for watching my video till the end. See you next time. Until then, this is Aishwarya signing off.